What's up, everyone? It's Daoud from Dr. Mission here. And did you know that the average person could store anywhere from 5 to 50 pounds inside their colon? That's where your colon is. Another thing that you might not have known is that 80% of your immune system is located right here. So that means that if you can't poop at least 3 times a day, especially if you're eating 3 times a day, your immune system is going to be weakened, right? That makes sense, right? So what we're going to do here is we're going to show you what a solution looks like. A solution is going to be cleansing out that colon, but also making sure you eat a healthy diet. So let me show you. Wow, this is pretty tight. That wasn't good. You know what I'm saying? Alright, but I'm going to keep it rolling though. So this is what 4 ounces should look like. Cheers. Now the best time to drink it is in the evening time after your last meal. Or you can drink it in the morning. Peace. Should I drink it? Nah, I ain't gonna drink it. You know why I'm not gonna drink it? Because I drank it last night. But I'm gonna save this for tonight, right? Because it's daytime right now. And I'm gonna save this here for tonight. I'm gonna cover it and save it for tonight. Peace and love. Love you to life. You still? Oh shit! You still there? Damn. All right. Peace.